The other day, I was thinking about my life and I realized something very interesting. Some of my best memories came from decisions I was scared to take. Some of my biggest lessons came from decisions I wish I had not taken. And some regrets came from the decision I never took at all. That's when I understood something very simple. In life, we don't have hundreds of types of decisions. We only have three. And today I want to talk about them. Not just for us, but for the next generation who's watching and learning from us. Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to my channel, Life After 50 with Ratna Jackie. Today I want to talk about something that quietly shapes our entire life, and that is decisions. You see, life is nothing but a series of decisions. From the moment we wake up in the morning to the choices that change the direction of our life. But if you observe carefully, every decision in life falls into only three categories: a good decision, a bad decision, or no decision at all. That's it, only three. Yet these three decisions can shape your entire destiny. And today I don't want to talk only about our generation. I want these conversations to be especially for the next generation. Because if our life experiences can help them avoid even one big mistake, then our journey has meaning. So let us talk openly, honestly, and with a little humor also. Because life is serious, but we don't always have to be serious while talking about it. Let us begin with a good decision. A good decision is not always a perfect decision. Many people think successful people always make perfect decisions. No, that is not true. A good decision is simply a decision that is taken with clarity, values, and courage. Sometimes it works beautifully. Sometimes it struggles in the beginning. But over time, it brings peace. Let me give you a simple example. Just imagine a young person deciding what career to choose. One option gives fast money, another option gives meaning and long-term growth. A good decision may not always be the easiest one, but it aligns with your values and purpose. Good decisions come from three things: wisdom, patience, and self-respect. When you respect yourself, you naturally make better decisions because you stop choosing things that harm your future. Now let us talk about something very important: bad decisions. Everybody makes them. Every single human being. If someone tells you they have never made a bad decision in life, please ask them politely, are you sure you are talking about your life or someone else? Because mistakes are part of being human. Sometimes we choose the wrong people. Sometimes we choose the wrong opportunities. Or sometimes we trust the wrong situations. But here is the important part. A bad decision is not the end of life. It's often the beginning of wisdom. Many of the strongest people you see today became strong because of the mistakes they made yesterday. Pain teaches, failure teaches, disappointment teaches. In fact, sometimes a bad decision becomes the best teacher of our life. Now let us talk about the most dangerous one: no decision. Many people think doing nothing is safe, but often doing nothing is the biggest risk. Imagine someone who always says, I will decide later, I'll try next year, I will start someday. That someday never comes, and slowly life passes. Opportunity passes, time passes, and one day they wake up and say, I wish I had tried. Regret is heavier than failure. Failure hurts from some time, but regret stays for a lifetime. Our generation has seen many things. We lived in a time without mobile phones, without internet, without instant answers. We had to think more and complain less. We made decisions with limited information. Sometimes we were right, sometimes we were wrong. But every decision taught us something valuable. And today, our responsibility is not to judge the next generation. Our responsibility is to guide them, not by preaching, but by sharing our stories. Young people today live in a fast world. Too many options, too many opinions, too much pressure. They are afraid of making mistakes. But we must tell them something important. Making a wrong decision is not failure. Refusing to learn from it is failure. Every mistake can become wisdom if we have the courage to accept it. If I could give the next generation a simple tool, it would suggest asking 3 questions before any big decision. Question number 1, will this decision harm my future self? Number 2, does this decision respect my values? Decision number 3, will I regret not trying? These 3 questions can save years of confusion. Decisions. One beautiful truth about life is this: whatever decision we take, we eventually learn to live with it. Humans are incredibly adaptable. We grow, we adjust, we learn, we evolve. The key is not avoiding decisions. The key is taking responsibility for them. So here is a message for young people. If any young person is watching this today, I want to tell you something from the heart. Do not be afraid of making mistakes. Be afraid of never trying. Life rewards courage. Even imperfect courage, you don't need to have everything figured out. You just need to keep moving forward. As we grow older, we realize something very interesting. Life is not about making perfect decisions. It's about making honest decisions, learning from them and passing that wisdom forward. So remember, there are only 3 decisions in life: a good decision, a bad decision, and no decision. The good decision brings success, the bad decision brings wisdom, but no decision often brings regret. So choose courage, choose growth, and most importantly, choose to learn. Thank you for spending your time with me today. And if this conversation helped you even a little, please share it with someone who might need it. Because wisdom becomes meaningful only when it is shared. I will see you again in the next episode. Take care. Bye.